You've decided to become a web developer and you're wondering whether to learn JavaScript or not? Let's find out what is JavaScript and why it is worth to learn. If you didn't know, JavaScript is a scripting language. It provides a sequence of instructions for a web browser to execute. Everything is run on the browser, and you don't need any special tools or plugins to write or execute JavaScript. This means that it is not a server-side language. It is interpreted or run on a web browser and used to manipulate a web page. And it does not need to be compiled like other programming languages such as Java or C++. By the way, do not confuse Java with JavaScript. Both Java and JavaScript are programming languages registered trademarks. However, they have a very different concept and design. It was named JavaScript because at the time Java was gaining a lot of popularity and JavaScript's creators wanted to take advantage of the potential familiarity with Java as part of the name to spark interest in JavaScript. JavaScript was invented in 1995 and became an ECMA standard in 1997. Hence the name. Developers write scripts to do various things that range from changing the appearance of a web page to displaying pop-up messages to users, and even running complex game engines. Every time a web page does more than just sit there and display static information for you to look at, for example, displaying timely content updates, interactive maps, animated graphics, you can bet that JavaScript is probably involved. All these things you can do with JavaScript. It is amazing what you can achieve with a few lines of JavaScript code. Think of your project as a human body. HTML builds its core structure, CSS creates its appearance, and JavaScript brings it to life. JavaScript is really designed to easily manipulate web pages and respond to user interactions with the browser. This tool is very powerful and it is one of the most widely used software in the world. If you want to be a developer, you should learn JavaScript. Please write in comments why you've decided to become a web developer and what topics you are interested in. And if you want to be the first to watch such free educational videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a good week and see you next Tuesday.